Hello friends, try this solution to fix the iPhone flashlight not working with the camera in the dark area and lock screen flashlight. The first easy solution is to force restart your iPhone. Disconnect the USB cable if it's on charging. Then press and quickly release the volume up button. Then firmly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the power button only until you see the Apple logo after the black screen. As you can see, my iPhone is showing the lock screen. Enter the lock screen passcode and check that the issue is fixed. Still, if the issue is not fixed, then next solution is reset all settings. Your iPhone settings will set to default, will not erase any data and media files. To do so, launch the Settings app. Find and tap on General. Again, scroll to the Transfer or Reset iPhone option at last. Now, tap on the Reset option and select Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and screen time passcode if it's enabled. Your iPhone will reboot once and check after Reset All Settings. To use Wi-Fi, first connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi internet and check that the issue is fixed. Still the issue is not fixed. Is there big software issue? Then restore your iPhone is another helpful solution. Reinstall new iOS version on your iPhone after backup on Mac or PC. First connect your iPhone to Mac or PC. Plug your iPhone into your computer using a USB cable. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust this computer if prompted. Launch Finder. If it doesn't open automatically, find and open it manually. Click the iPhone name in the left sidebar of the Finder window. Under the General tab, locate the Backup section. Click on the Backup Now option. Don't use the Encrypt iPhone Backup option if you want to set a password. After the process finishes, you can view the latest backup details under Manage Backups. If you're troubleshooting or restoring the device to factory settings, you may need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Select eStory iPhone to reset the device to factory settings and reinstall iOS. Follow the prompts and wait for Finder to complete the restoration process. Your iPhone will restart once it's restored. After that, you can restore the latest backup and fix the software issue. If that still doesn't help, contact Apple support and diagnose the hardware issue. Apple will provide free or paid repair and replacement service if your iPhone is under warranty. That's an easy way to fix the flashlight problem on your iPhone. Don't miss to like, share and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.